Hey my name is Steve Witz. We got Obi on the beat. Go by the name of Hoodie. That's Hoodie Allen. Yeah, it's Hoodie Allen. Hey yo, let me get serious for a second right now. Hey yo, I made myself some promises, some New Year's resolution shit. Try to have some patience in my life, but I be losing it. There's no confusing it, I kinda got so nervous. Community service, man, I still think that it's worth it, but I wanna show my younger brother just how he should live. I hope Amanda's lying, I'm too young to have a kid, what a trick. So now I'm flying up potato lockers, arrested for seduction. You say I'm Frank Sinatra. I wanna go back to the 50s, I wanna be down, acting shifty, and we could be the talk of the town. Everybody get on the ground. And I wanna go back to the 50s, I wanna be down, acting shifty, and we could be the talk of the town. Everybody get on the ground. I wanna Hey yo, I made myself some promises, just had to acknowledge it. I became a college kid, too lazy to follow this. I'm being honest, cause truth just ain't a commodity. Let's go and pretend who we wanna be, gotta be. Honestly, I got this drama in the worst way. Wrote this on my birthday, the minute I heard play. Those were the worst days, Big even said it. Cause when I get on tracks, you know that I'm big-headed. But sooner or later we will be superstars. Get girls with super bras and tell them to take it off. Inside of my soup to paw, I couldn't assume this. This wasn't the reason we was making this music. Do this